Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best drone under $100. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Flearc S608 Pro Drone Camera. The Flearc S608 Pro drone provide 4K professional 6K HD dual camera aerial photograph. 90-degree adjustable camera with 120-degree FOV lens can widely capture the view in every precious moment. 5G Wi-Fi FPV 820 feet transmission ensures the high-speed real-time image. The S608 Pro drone provides perfect solution for indoor and outdoor flying. Foldable and lightweight makes it exceptionally easy to carry. It comes with 3000 mAh battery. Each intelligent battery support 30 minutes of flight and charging time 1 hour. It also GPS positioning mode. Control the aircraft to Y at a distance of 5 meters from the controller. Thumb on the follow function. The aircraft can automatically follow the movement of the controller and take pictures. Point out the light waypoint you want on the map, and the drone can install the waypoint you specify to Y, which is simple and fun. It also one-key takeoff landing via remote control. No need for tedious operation, easy control. Number 4. Gracewati K911 Max Drone Camera. The Gracewati K911 Max drone equipped 4K Ultra HD camera with a 90-degree controller adjustable, vivid footage in a bird's eye view without missing any details, and allows you to capture 3840 by 2160 pixel Ultra HD pictures. In addition, drones with camera for adults 4K 5 GHz FPV transmission can ensure stable and smooth video. This drone provide powerful brushless motors as your ticket to the sky, ensures the excellent performance of your drone. One battery can support about 25 minutes flight, which makes it easy to replace the battery and safe to charge battery. Our camera drone can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. The 4K drone's remote control distance 1.2 km with camera follow me and waypoint flight and point of interest grant. It performance smart flights, freeing your hands up. The K911 Max camera drones equipped with GPS system. When low battery, lost the signal, or one key return to home, it will auto return home. Don't have to worry about losing your drone. Number 3. Projector T25 Drone Camera. The Projector T25 drone provide 1080 pixel 120-degree FOV lens eye real-time transmission camera. It can capture clear pictures even if the drone flies in high speed, letting you see what your drone sees, ideal for filming a designated spot or simply to look around. The Projector drone equipped 2 modular 1000 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time. It's a good choice for summer camping. You can use the drone with camera as both a backyard flyer to film family events. The drone-equipped follow me mode under GPS positioning will point the camera to lock your phone, making the drone always follow your steps and catch your every move and take aerial photos. This drone adopted barometric set height technology. It will automatically maintain a certain height when the aircraft flies up. Do not need to manually control it. Safe and easy to fly and remote control distance 500 meters. The Projector drone will fly as you want once customized flight path function activated, making you enjoy more fun. Besides, GPS mode provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. It also press the return button. When the drone in GPS mode, it will fly back to the home point that you set as takeoff place. Easily find back your drone when you fly it out of sight. Never worry about losing it. Number 2. Gainbang S8000 Drone Camera. The S8000 drone provide 4K dual camera, ESC remote control 90-degree remote control lens with high-definition lens, real-time image transmission 120-degree super wide-angle shooting range. Record every wonderful moment. It also brushless motors run more powerful and quieter than brush motors, which enables more stable and faster flight, and remote control distance 80 to 100 meters. They also have a longer service life and save you engine maintenance. It also easily stage 360-degree stunts in the air with one-click turning and scrolling work without tedious manipulation. The S800 drone provide 2000 mAh battery with 20-minute flight time and charging time about 120 minutes. With the built-in propeller guard, it can handle minor contact, stay in the air, and keep on flying. The intelligent flight assistance function includes GPS automatic return, follow me, point of interest and waypoint flight, making your flying adventure easy and creative. Number 1. 7S/F9 Drone Camera. The 7S/F9 drone experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 6K Ultra HD video for stunning clarity. High contrast and vivid colors bring amazing view sight. The camera with a 120-degree FOV lens and 90-degree adjustable camera gives a broad view of your memorable moment. Equipped with 4 powerful brushless motors with fast speed, low noise, strong energy saving, wind resistance index, up to level 7. Even at sea, you can enjoy flying, and remote control distance 3000 meter. The F9 drone camera equipped 7.4-volt 2500 mAh intelligent batteries provides up to 30 minutes flight time and charging time 2 hours. The F9 Follow Me feature has you covered automatically no matter where you go, trace and follow your move, free your hands to take complex shots. It also by drawing a route on the map of the app, it helps customize your unique fly path as you wish. The drone will auto-returning to the takeoff location when it's lost signal or low power. Don't have to worry about losing your drone. Just enjoy the fun of flying.